Dear friends, today I am going to discuss about the screen capture software, Open Broadcaster software. There are lots of software to capture the device, but here I am only discuss about the open source software, that is OBS, the Open Broadcaster software. So from Google, if we just type the OBS, then we will found a lots of link, but we will go to the official link. The description also attached with my description section. A auto configured software, that is actually wizard, and I'll show you everything one by one. Then we'll set up our audio device, add video sources, and test, and finally record. So in first link we will click the downloadable link, and in exe file we will click and continue our process step by step. You can change your path also. You may use D drive. In that case you have to change the D, nothing else, D colon actually. That is finished our installation. Now we'll see the software. Will see a blank screen, so we have to set up at first. So from file we will go to the setting section, and in setting section lots of section are available: general, stream, output, audio, video, hotkeys, and advanced. And we can also stream by using this software, but we'll go to the output section, and video bitrate I'll keep 2500 kbps, and hardware encoder is QSV, and finally we change our recording format in MP4. And if we select this, some warning may come, but we will ignore it. Then we'll go to the audio section. In audio section we select our microphone. If it is not come, it is no problem, we can also select from other section. In video section we'll select for HD quality 1280 into 720, which is actually 16.9 aspect ratio, and compatible with mobile also. And in output resolution we can select lower aspect ratio, but for start recording I use a alternative key, that is Shift S, and stop recording I use Shift E, and Shift 1 and 2 for stop and start. And file name formatting showing here CCYY DD at that time. That is, in this format our all recordable file will be stored into our specific output folder. Now we have to add the sources, that is, from plus symbol we will add audio source. This audio source automatically it will be a microphone, that is, if multiple microphone available, then we will select according that way. And we can also stop the desktop audio. From this section we can level our voice by using this scroll bar from left to right or right to left. Now we have to add another source, that is video source. The video source we can use here the display capture. Okay, so to display capture will the whole screen, that is, whatever the screen have, we will capture these things and store into our MP4 file. And we can also resize our screen resolution or portion of the section that we want to capture. So the red line or border that will be adjusted to capture specific area. We can also add multiple sources like webcam. With it we can also text. To add another screen we can use the screen 2. In screen 2 we can use a different method or different set of sources, say webcam and text and say some PowerPoint slide, so we can switch among them also. So similar way we can add multiple sources, and then we have to bring that sources to specific screen 1 or screen 2. To capture a window we will use the window capture method. That is, it is obviously from start and window capture. Then we will select the specific window, but remember we have to open, or we have to keep it in minimized form, otherwise we will not it will be shown in the list. Okay, so if it is unminimized, then we will get the specific window in the window list box. If we select the say HTML window that is in Explorer section, if we select, then we can get that specific capturing, that is whatever the section will be displayed in that specific Explorer, that will be captured, not everything. Okay, and we can also resize like this way. We can use start stop recording. So in case to start this recording, we just click on the start recording, and to stop we will just press at the stop recording. Here we are not streaming, so remember there is 2 button. We will click on the start recording. After completion of recording, we will get our output at the specific output folder, that is in video OBS output, which is previously set by in setting section, and the MP4 file can be viewed by OBS setup. Once completed, then we can change the same setup by using just on right click at window capture, and then we will just change the specific window and it will record accordingly. We will do it in later section. For today that's okay. Thanks.